We're going to take a video tour of the house now. It's a nice entry. I don't know if I love the openness for people to see me, but anyway, we'll take care of that. I'll probably put some decorative film on the glass. Here's the entry. We'll go into Chuck's office. I don't love the curtains, of course, but all of this is stuff that's going to change. All the paint's going to change. It's a nice room. It's just 2 windows and 5 doors, so that's a lot of wall space sucked up, but here's the closet in the office, so that's a good amount of storage in there, and Chuck's not going to put a lot in here, so that'll be good. And Chuck's got a little bathroom just off the office. Oh, turn the light. Sorry. Here we go. We got this full bath just off the office. Be a good, well, it's more than a half bath, but like we got company over. And you go from here into the laundry room, which is very small, but I'll push that open. It's got a lot of shelving up here, so that's going to be really nice. I don't have room for my deep freeze, but I'm thinking about that. Okay. We're going to go back through Chuck's office now. Sorry about the loud bangs. Into the dining room. I forgot to close the front door like a doofus. Okay. This is the dining room. For right now, this is going to be the place where Logan and Sarah hang out while they live with us to save up for a house. I think these little arches, I found some really pretty decorative film to go over them. So I might do that, and these vertical blinds will eventually be changed out, but I don't know when or with what yet. But anyway, I don't hate the paint color in here, but it's kind of marred up just from living here. So everything's going to be all one color. And eventually we'll go in and make it our own, each room. Here's Harry's room. Got a little trash in there to get rid of, but this will be some nice storage too. It's a nice closet. And here I'm going to put a little bench to sit on to put your shoes on so everybody can take their shoes off when they come in, because I don't like shoes. Here's the living room. It's a nice, don't you love our fancy Buc-ee's furniture? Nice size living room. Nice gas fireplace, which I'm super excited about. I'm going to have to find something to cover up these plugs and stuff up here because we're not going to hang our TV up there. I want to decorate the mantle somehow, seasonally or whatever. And then this back here, this little nook by the stairs, I plan to put a shelf for us to put Harry Potter Legos on because I'm not super sophisticated. I like what I like. Here's the breakfast nook, which is where the table will go. And all this is going to get painted too. I'm not really sure what I think about. I love the shutters, kind of, but half shutters and half curtains I don't think I like. I just am not a fan of windows, and I know that makes me weird, but we're going to probably expand the pantry somehow, but that'll come hopefully sooner than later. It depends. The refrigerator will go there when it gets here in just over a month from now. I've got pretty good cabinets. I wasn't sure at first how I felt, but I'm really growing to like them. But this is all going to be painted a really pretty blue. And back here behind the sink, I think I'm going to grow some herbs because I've always wanted to have a little herb garden in my window. I've also got, and I know that this is something a lot of people have, but I never have had this before. Got this little Lazy Susan, which I'm super excited about. And also, drawers, pull-outs. I'm so excited about that. I don't like the countertops or the tile backsplash, but I think that's going to be taken care of pretty quickly because it's not going to be massively expensive. So, and then this double oven, which I thought I was going to try to do some changes with that, but I'm not. I'm going to leave it. Oh, sorry, there I am in the reflection. So, we'll go into our bedroom now. Got a nice size bedroom. We don't need a massive bedroom because we don't hang out in our bedroom. So it's got this blue accent wall that I love. It's going to be painted, touched up, just repainted because that paint's out in the garage. So that's not the wall color for everything. And here's the closet. So it's got even that shelf up there. That's great. And this right here, I'm super excited about. I'm kind of thinking about buying divided boxes and folding t-shirts flat and putting them in there kind of like files. And then here's the other side of the closet. I don't know which one will be which, but whatever. We're not worried about that right now. So here's the master bath, and it's not huge, but that's great because honestly, it's not a place I hang out, and I don't want to have to clean a massive bathroom. So we got this tub, which, oops, sorry, is a waste of space for me because I like cabinets, but that's okay. It's okay. Got my shower with the bench seat, which is great for putting all my shampoos and conditioners. Yes, I use multiple different ones. And then, we don't need me in the video, so here's the counter, which I like a lot. I really do like it. Oh, and we have a nice closet in here too. So there's that. I'm excited about that too. So I'll take you up the stairs. And the carpet is so cushy and soft. I'm so excited about that. We have a little nook up here. I don't know what's going to go in there yet, but something. But there's no light, just a weird ceiling fan. So that is going to get changed. I mean, I know why it's there. It probably pulls the hot air down. Anyway, so when you come up, you don't have a huge area, but all the rooms come off of here. So here is one of the other bathrooms. This is bathroom number 3 if you're keeping count. It's a nice little bathroom. It's got a nice little cabinet and no closet, but, and then here, okay, Kelby's already put some of his stuff in. I like these. And both bathrooms up here, I'll go ahead and show you the bathrooms because that's the least exciting part. This has a little bit more, sorry, I don't like being in the picture. This has a little bit more room because the tub and toilet are in here. Anyway, I'm very happy about the bathroom situation. I'm going to save my favorite room for last. So this is one of my favorites. This is the bonus space. So we have a little nook that goes in here. I'm not sure what, this is going to be Kelby's space to play games and stuff. I'm not sure what he's going to put in there. 2 windows, but they don't take up the whole room. And then this built-in, which I love. It's really great. Could put a TV in the middle there, and then game systems and games and stuff. Kelby has collected old game systems and games and stuff, so I'm not sure how he's going to set it up, but and in addition to all of this, we can put shelving up here if we want, and then we've got this nice closet, which I'm really also excited about. We can put board games and stuff in there. So the next room is Kelby's room, unless he's in there. Hang on. I'm going to pause you. Okay, Kelby's room. And obviously all the paint is not mine, but look at these ceilings. We've got these really cool ceilings. Oh, and all the fans will one by one be replaced with fandeliers. And if a fandelier, if you don't know what that is, you can look that up. So,
not all of them.
Here's Kelby's closet. The trim is going to be repainted. Yeah, so it's a good sized closet. And it's a decent sized room. He'll be able to spread out into the bonus space. But lastly, oh no, not lastly, sorry, there's one more room before my favorite room. This is going to be the room that Logan and Sarah stay in when they stay with us. So, it's a nice room. The funny thing about this room is we're going to move that into my craft room so that I can exercise and stuff up there. But here's their closet. Nice closet. It's got, a good bit of space in here. But it's also got a window right smack in the closet. So, that's interesting. Anyway, that's funny though. Well, they can get dressed in the bedroom. Now, wow, 1, 4, 5, 6. Wow, look at all the outlets. So the last room, and it's going to get painted, closet, walls, everything, is this, my craft room. Unfortunately, it's got windows taking up wall space, but I'm never opposed to covering up windows for what I want. Now, I'm going to put a cube shelf on this wall full of yarn, bookshelf, more cube shelf, and I'm not going to, these are going. I don't need that much exposure to myself. I'll probably put my sewing machine cabinet here, and then in here, this closet is going to be perfect. I can put my sewing machines down there. I haven't even decided what all I'm going to do. I can put another curtain rod. I can hang my knitting bags and stuff up in here. There's just so much space to put stuff. It's gonna be great. I'm super excited. So that's the tour of the house, and as we progress, I'll take pictures and videos and stuff and show y'all. But okay, bye.